Have you got some scissors and ribbon? Let's take a look at how to create a really quick, easy bookmark. Take a favorite box of your child's, whether it's cereal, granola bars, popsicles, and then use that old box that you're getting ready to recycle to cut out a bookmark. It doesn't have to be exactly the right picture because you can cut out numerous bookmarks from the same box. If you'd like to, you could hole punch it right like that. Insert a ribbon. Once you have your bookmarks made, these are really fun for your kids to share with friends, to use in their favorite book, and it gives them a little project to do that doesn't cost anything. This gives your child buy-in into what they're reading and the reading experience. And the more involved your kids can be in the whole reading experience, the better it's going to be and the better readers they will become. Enjoy!